For thousands of years, the Black Sea has been surrounded by some of the world's oldest civilizations. Ancient Greeks, Persians, and early European cultures all built thriving settlements along its coastline. But historians believe that many of those settlements didn't simply disappear with time. Some of them may still exist, hidden beneath the waters of the Black Sea. In recent years, underwater archaeologists began exploring the deep seabed using advanced sonar scanning and remotely operated vehicles. What they discovered shocked the research team. Beneath layers of sediment nearly 100 meters below the surface, scientists detected unusual stone formations arranged in patterns that didn't appear natural. At first, researchers believed these structures were simply ancient rock formations shaped by underwater currents. But when high-resolution cameras descended into the darkness, the images revealed something far more fascinating. Massive stone blocks, collapsed walls, and what looked like the remains of ancient buildings. The layout suggested something extraordinary, a long-lost city resting silently on the ocean floor. Further investigation revealed what appeared to be narrow pathways and structural foundations arranged in a pattern that resembled a human settlement. Some archaeologists believe these ruins could be thousands of years old, possibly dating back to early coastal civilizations that once lived around the Black Sea region. But the biggest question remains: how did an entire city end up underwater? One theory points to a dramatic geological event known as the Black Sea Flood, which may have occurred thousands of years ago when rising waters from the Mediterranean suddenly poured into the basin. If this event happened rapidly, it could have flooded coastal settlements within a relatively short period of time. Another possibility is powerful earthquakes, which are common in the region and capable of collapsing entire coastal landscapes. Over centuries, rising waters and shifting seabeds could have slowly buried the remains beneath layers of sediment. Today, the deep waters of the Black Sea preserve these ruins in an unusual way. Because much of the deeper water contains very little oxygen, ancient structures and artifacts can remain preserved far longer than in most oceans. For archaeologists, this makes the Black Sea one of the most important underwater exploration sites in the world. Yet despite these discoveries, much of the ancient city remains hidden beneath sand and sediment. Exploring it requires careful dives, advanced technology, and years of research. But with every expedition, scientists are uncovering small pieces of forgotten civilization. A civilization that once stood proudly along the shores of the Black Sea, before nature slowly reclaimed it beneath the waves. And somewhere in the darkness below, the ruins of that ancient city may still hold secrets waiting to be revealed.